Welcome back to Primetime News, and again, a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, 2 people died this afternoon in a 2-vehicle crash along the Hodges Main Road in Black River, St. Elizabeth. They have been identified as 50-year-old Andrea Walters, a seasonal farm worker, and 46-year-old Gary Barry, a laborer in the parish. Reports are that sometime after midday, Mr. Barry was driving his motorcycle from Brampton to Black River when he collided with a white Toyota Voxy traveling in the opposite direction. The bus reportedly made a right turn, resulting in the motorcyclist crashing in the side of the vehicle. Ms. Walters, who was a passenger in the bus, was injured and taken to hospital, where she was pronounced dead. Our news team caught up with the brother of Mr. Barry.
All the brother meet the accident. All the brother, I just cheer we alone leave and for no set. You understand? My brother get up, my brother sleep in one bed last night and my son cheer we have a house when several bed we can choose to sleep and we choose to sleep and we slept last night. But we know set. My brother when they come out of the house and they got a wreck and my brother got on the road. And my brother get like this. I tell you, it's painful, my boss. It's painful.